Alright, so day number 3. It's currently 4:40 in the morning. Yeah, so we've been up since 3:30 again. That's like my every day is 3:30 a.m. and then it starts work. So 3:30 wake up, make coffee, make breakfast, make Harper food, and then get straight into the work. Hey bud. Morning. Then get straight into the work, and that just consists of starting videos that I have to do still. I'm also going to do this 100 push-ups a day challenge. Do 100 push-ups a day. I'm going to try to get, I'm not struggling with weight, but I definitely want to get lighter. I'm like 193 right now. I want to be like 185 again. It's been a long time since I've been 185 pounds, so that's the goal. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to continue this work thing. You can watch the sunrise or something, so have fun with that. It is 7 o'clock. It's been a good morning so far. Definitely ready to get this day started, so let's do that. There we go. Woo! Left the AC on in my car. That's chilly. Yeah. I'll be all Casey Neistat up on this with my sunglasses on the whole time. Although it is outside, so I can wear sunglasses. How about that? That was some pretty cool cinematography. I don't know. I don't even know how it looks yet. I literally just did it. Now we're in the car, going to get some coffee. Starting off the day different. Oh no. Not starting off the day anymore. Sorry, I'm focusing on driving at the same time. Vlogging and driving, that makes me nervous. One thing I think is really cool that I haven't talked about a lot in the past. I was looking through my YouTube analytics this morning. Oh wait, chicken. There you go. Why'd the chicken cross the road? Get to the other side, but never mind the jokes, they're not very good. One thing I looked at this morning, I looked at my YouTube analytics, which I know a lot of us YouTubers do from time to time to kind of see our status in the world. I don't think it really is your status, but it definitely is something. I was looking at the countries that people watch from, and it just kind of hit me. I was like, whoa. Like, my videos are all over the world. Everyone's videos on YouTube are all over the world, obviously. But people in China, people in Russia, people in Europe, Alaska, Hawaii, Australia, like all of these places are where people watch from. And I thought that was really interesting to kind of think, whoa, my stuff is everywhere. Anyone can see this, and I can literally have an impact on somebody, and I don't know if I am going to have an impact, but I could potentially have an impact on any one person from these countries. Like, we all have such a powerful voice with this YouTube and social media and things like that, and this is nothing new, but it's just something I wanted to highlight today. I don't know. I think it's really cool to be able to actually create stuff that anyone in the world can watch and consume, documenting my daily basis and just expressing, you know, I really want this to be something that my kids watch someday. And I probably shouldn't cuss then, huh? Well, I guess we should say this from this moment on. Before this, I cussed, and let's from this moment on, no more cussing. How about that? But I think that it's super beneficial to have some sort of documentary of your life in so many words. I mean, people have done it for years with pictures and stuff like that. I just choose to do videos that my kids and family and friends can watch of me someday, of my my 29-year-old self and the last 3 years of my life that I've been documenting. Hopefully going to be documenting a lot more of these. So. O'clock in the afternoon, and one like entrepreneurial or self-employed tip I would say, and that's, I want to kind of bring that subject up from time to time, because like, but I do think that I'm somewhat down to earth and a realist in a lot of ways, but I have in my mind good ideas, and I think about things a little differently sometimes too. Or like a tips and tricks of like the self-employed life too. One tip trick, you never know when you're going to be able to get a workout in. So keep your gym clothes, your workout clothes, your running clothes, whatever they are, in a bag, in your car, in your backpack, in your duffel bag, something like that, because you never know when you're going to be able to get one. It seems really obvious, but next time you go somewhere, you may just think to yourself, you know, I should bring my bag with me that has all my gym clothes in it, because I never know when I'm going to be able to get a little run in real fast. So you're welcome. It's smoky AF, it's hot AF, but I gotta go do something because this weekend we didn't run because of Harper, work, and other things. So we gotta go for a quick run. So I'm gonna go burn my lungs out in Upper Park real fast and just try to get something in before I go back to work again. Drive home, work more. That's the grind, the daily. I fucking love it. Pardon my French. I'm a big fan of this. I say this stuff every day, and I don't know if you guys are gonna get tired of this, but like, again, this is me documenting, so it makes it easier to say these kinds of things. I just really want to document this journey right now, because if I make it or if I fail, it's all on me, and I really like that. My odds are on myself, so that's what's happening right now. Is I'm gonna go for a run, get some energy, get some stuff out, and go back to work again, because that's what needs to happen to make the money, to make that Skrilla, to keep on going. You can already feel the sweat. It's gonna be hot. Look at this, look how nasty it is out here. There's no sun. Sun's up there, but it's not like a sun, it's like a cloud of smoke covering it. Oh well, there we go. Probably had like air blowing on that the whole time, so you couldn't hear a single thing I said. Hopefully that's not the case, that would suck. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh my god, it's so smoky. That sucks. Can't do anything cool when it's all smoky like this. Can't go for a run, can't be outside for very long. Not supposed to anyways. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna sign off for today. It's been real, it's been fun. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one, because this is like daily. We will see you guys tomorrow. So until then, take her easy. Peace.